from a MarTech offering point of view, MarTech are effectively a condition monitoring company that are able to supply portable dissolved gas analyzers and moisture analyzers, which are effectively units that you can take to site. You can pull a sample on the transformer in the field and you can analyze it and determine what's wrong with the transformer within around about an hour. We then also supply permanent online monitors from composite gas, which are effectively single gas monitors, all the way through to 11 gas monitors. Those are the ones that sit in the level 3 diagnostics, where we're looking at the different types of gases. We can determine whether we've got partial discharge. We can determine whether we've got arcing in the transformer. We can determine whether there's a core fault or the paper is being affected by heat. So there's a lot of the analytical side that we can do on that side. And then we can also go down to temperature. Yeah. From the point of view, historically, people had a gauge mounted on their transformer, and a technician or an engineer or the substation staff would have to walk to the transformer and go see what the top oil temperature is or the winding temperature. And technology's moved on, and we've got newer technology where we can install permanent electronic temperature monitoring sensors on the transformer that can be connected to SCADA or DCS. And we can even then take some smart sensors. For example, we can combine a hydrogen sensor with the temperature monitoring system to give a very cost-effective solution